So the lines on the side of the canyon are level with the ground, so you can see how the water just kind of slopes off. It's really, really strange. The water is going downhill.
Yeah, because I do not want to get in any of that shit to the right. So if it looks like that from here, who knows what it's going to look like when we're in it.
Oh, it's huge, dude.
Yeah.
So we're scouting a rapid. I don't know if you can see it down there.
We usually don't puss out, but we're going to puss out on this one and go all the way to the left.
It looks like fun though.
Oh, it does look like fun. It looks like we'd end up in the water 100% though.
This is absolutely beautiful.
Montana. Montana, bitches.
Wow.
Did anybody say femur?
Is that what that is?
Yeah, it's an old one.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 standing waves, and then a big haystacks behind that. And in our canoe, we would absolutely, we probably wouldn't flip it because they're just standing waves, but we'd sink it for sure. So the goal is to skip this, hug this shoreline right here, stay to the left. That wasn't too rocky. We don't know what's going on right down here around this bend. So you're gonna stay with us until then.
Great unknown.
Just picked up speed. We're gonna try and cut this. Yeah, let's go on it. Yep. We got this. Yeah, we're gonna go to the right. To the right. Nice. Yep. And there's a couple rocks right here. Got it. Oh, awesome, dude. Look.
Yeah, that's where that one came.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's much more shallower than what we went through.
Yeah.
Right call on that one.
Man. Wow.
Ain't no little Miami.
Ain't no little Miami. So I think the last update we did, we were at some park that was like 24 miles from here. We did the 24 miles. We got into Billings, and JC's dad's friends picked us up at the boat ramp, and they were super nice, and they kept our canoe on their truck and got some resupply, and I got a Uber home, and I opened the door to the Uber and smacked myself right in the face. I split it wide open. I thought I was gonna get a black eye, but luckily I didn't. We wanted to stay an extra day and get some rest because we were both super exhausted and not ready to go. We had a bunch of stuff we needed to get done.
Ready to get out of Billings. Even though if you're downtown, I'm sure it's fine. At Jake's Steakhouse, you can wine and dine. But here it's a little different on the West End. At the Motel 6, the police will probably get sent. Ready to get back to the river flow. Get back to nature, the life we know. 'Cause all I wanna do is row, row, row our canoe down the Yellowstone.
They came to pick us up, which was yesterday. And when they got here, we were really excited to get back on the river. We were all packed up, ready to go. And I was like, hey man, how's it going? And they said, terrible, because they had dropped our canoe on the highway on the way to pick us up. I cannot even imagine what it would be like to be trying to help some people out that were doing something crazy like we're doing, and drop it onto the highway and smash it. We got some patches and some stuff, and then we went to the hardware store, and then we came and fixed her all up. This is right after we did the patch on the canoe. And then this, she was naked and tried to force her way into the room.
Can't you see my heart is broken? It bleeds like an ocean.
Ready to get the hell out of here. Ready to put some weights.
I'm over it. I'm over town. I hate this. I'm going crazy, if you can't tell. I actually might take a shower before I leave. We're ready to go. But it's been an adventure.
What is that up there? Pelicans.
Alright, real shallow.
We got some cushions, some more cooking utensils, stuff we figured we needed after the first week.
Easy flow.
That big old eagle about to land on me. See him? Maybe.
This is our first diversion dam. Not too bad. I mean, worst case scenario, you go over it and you live, so nothing too bad there. But we went ahead and avoided it. All right, made it to camp. Cooler and everything. We decided just to go ahead and bring the canoe over anyway, so that way we don't have to take everything back in the morning. We can just put it in here. But Dave's chilling, talking to his girlfriend, and first night in his chair that he bought at Walmart. So living like a king there. It's a rainbow right there. I don't know if you can see it or not. You know, just another night back on the Yellowstone here in Montana.
Aeroplane. Planes and trains. We made a discovery. I saw that there was furniture still in this house. Hey, there's a bedpan in there. When there's really rough rapids such as these, this is how we secure a boat safely. We find the most medium-sized rock that we can and make a loop in the rope and put it around it. Oh, well, he used several rocks. But then as a safety measure, you just lay a rock right across the top. That'll make sure that, you know, things such as antelope and rattlesnakes don't get into your boat and rummage through your things. Off to Pompey's pillar. Okay, so we saw the pillar from the river and we got out of the boat and we've been trekking through the jungle to try to make it. That's where we're going. We came from over there, over the river and through the woods. I think William Clark himself may have planted that corn himself. Hey, we found a road. That is Pompey's pillar. We found it. Or at least we think it is. Apparently there's like some naturalists that are supposed to show us around. We're a little late. This is really cool. It's a whole museum dedicated to like the trip that we're doing. And this is a small version of a raft that they made from a bull buffalo, which is really cool. And some of the clothes they wore. What they look like. Hi. This is awesome.
Pardon?
This is just really cool. I'm in the gift shop.
Pompey's Pillar.
Pompey's Pillar. This is where William Clark signed his signature. Big long story, but this is their return trip down the Yellowstone. We are way up high in this beautiful valley. You can see the river down below. All the way over there, that's where we came from. And then this is where we're going. And we're exhausted, and there is no current, and the wind was against us all day, so we're gonna camp here tonight. And it's kind of excited. Can't wait to get some food in my belly. I'm hungry. See ya. Woo!